1% copy. Alright, so that's how much percentage we working on. Listen, we got Sheff G, lights on, official video. Why the fuck did I just say that? Listen.
You trying to scoop me that hoodie right there, my nigga?
Huh?
You trying to scoop me that hoodie?
Which one?
The line.
You wanna take shit over, nigga?
Huh?
You wanna take shit over?
Yeah, the shit got fucked up, right? Yeah, we reacting to, you know, Sheff G lights on.
Sure.
The vibe. Big Brooklyn. I think this just came out, right?
500,000, yeah, November 11th.
Yeah.
No kizzy. Yo, light before we even start. So this light is bugging or it's me. I don't know if niggas even.
Put this up, man, I think. Just be safe.
What the fuck?
Turn the lights on. Shoot a gang in the building. 100 shots, how you feeling? Waking up. You can't set a bitch up. Sheff G, I know this is fuck how you feeling, nigga. It's me, Sheff G. Keep it dissing and gang too fully, nigga. Can't breathe. Bitches fucking can't wait till they read it.
This ain't Wavy, ain't gonna lie. The little Sheff hat, that shit fire.
Oh, they see me and they get the wallet out. They never love me then, I got rich and they love me now. Anybody wanna play? Fuck that. You get hit, you said it with him. 30 rounds for any nigga. You ain't getting with the bitch. Get to the money, man, you know that I gotta get to the bridge. We ain't good.
He's on a PJs.
Get to the money, man, you know that I gotta get to the bridge. And we ain't good. She gon' dance, make it bounce, with no hands. She get litty, in a circle in your city. Get the spraying on your feet.
In a circle in your city.
Count on your black city. Racing forward, push on the gas, I'm racing forward. I got the back, I was waiting for it. Waiting for it, I got the back, I was waiting for it. These niggas mad, waiting on it. Tell them niggas, turn the lights on. Shoot a gang in the building. 100 shots, how you feeling? We can
She's got that breeze.
you can't set it bitch up. Sheff G, I know that this is fuck how you feeling, nigga. It's me.
This is a Wavy video, I ain't gonna lie.
Niggas
Niggas have to blur
This
out.
is on PJs, nigga.
Niggas have to blur out all the
Gucci prints.
all the designer, basically. Literally.
Bitches fucking can't wait till they read a nigga. So you wanna see know how to treat a nigga.
Me, Sheff G.
Treat a nigga.
Even his belt gotta get blurred out, nigga. Everybody Pop Smoke, shit. Rest in peace, Pop Smoke.
King C. Gillette is a complete line of tools.
Are you sweating with them diamonds on your blood?
It's alright, it's alright. Listen, that was Sheff G lights on. Got less than that. That was fire, that was fire. What you rate that though?
10, 8.
We wouldn't even really be rating music videos to me. Yeah, I'll give it like an 8. But yeah, if y'all fuck with that, if y'all want more reactions, comment down below. Social media should probably pop up as well, no cap. Like the video, share the video, share it to your mans, share it to your family. We out here though.